Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're breaking down one of the biggest financial stories of the year, Access Bank's 2024 financial performance. And don't worry, even if you're not a finance expert, I'm going to explain everything in simple, everyday language, while still giving you the real insights financial analysts look for. Access Bank 2024. What the numbers really mean. First, how big is Access Bank right now? Access Bank closed 2024 with assets of about 40.8 trillion naira. Yes, trillion. That makes it one of the largest banks in Africa. They also hold deposits, that's people's savings and business accounts, worth 31.8 trillion naira. So imagine Access Bank as a giant vault with money constantly flowing in and out. The big question is that vault stable? And can it handle shocks? Let's find out. Number 1. Liquidity. Can Access Bank pay people back? If everyone rushes in, the bank kept about 5.2 trillion naira in cash and money market placements, basically quick, easily accessible funds. That means Access Bank had about 16% of all deposits sitting in cash, ready to go. For a Nigerian bank operating in a volatile economy, that's a strong liquidity position. In simple terms, Access Bank is not running dry anytime soon. Number 2. Lending. Is Access Bank overlending or playing it safe? They loaned out about 13 trillion naira in 2024. That's only around 41% of their total deposits, a very conservative ratio. This means Access Bank isn't aggressively lending out people's money. They're being careful, keeping risk low, and leaving room to grow. Number 3. Profitability. Are they actually making money? Yes, and a lot. Access Bank made 7 to 10.8 billion naira in profit after tax in 2024. Let's break that down. Return on equity, 18.5%. Return on assets, 1.7%. To the average person, these are strong profits. To investors, this shows management is squeezing real value out of the bank's assets. Number 4. But wait, not all profit is equal. Access Bank recorded about 467 billion naira in foreign exchange gains. That's money made simply because currency values changed. And here's the catch. FX gains are unpredictable. They can make your profits look huge one year and vanish the next. So while Access Bank's profit looks massive, part of it comes from FX, not from the core banking business. That's something serious investors always watch out for. Number 6. Borrowing and hedging. Hidden risks. You should know Access Bank has significant borrowings and issued debt, including Eurobonds, with a balance of about 828 billion naira in debt securities. They also recorded hedge losses and ineffectiveness, meaning some hedging strategies didn't perform as expected. These aren't red flags, but they are areas to monitor. Debt needs to be repaid. Hedges need to work. If not, profits get hit. Number 7. Penalties and regulatory issues. Access Bank paid around 1.2 billion naira in penalties to regulators in 2024. It's not huge compared to their profits, but it does mean compliance needs tightening. Number 8. So, should investors be excited or cautious? Here's the simple truth. Reasons to be excited. Strong liquidity, conservative lending, massive profit, solid returns, huge scale with room for growth, reasons to stay cautious, FX gains, inflated profits, big debt obligations, hedge losses and volatility, regulatory penalties, high-risk environment overall. I am Stockman. In simple English, Access Bank in 2024 is like a strong athlete running very fast, but with a few stones in their shoes. The bank is big, profitable, and well buffered with cash. Great signs. But some profits came from currency swings. not from everyday banking. And the bank needs to keep an eye on debt, hedging, and compliance.